Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by disabling autoplay because that's what triggers videos as you scroll. On mobile, open the Facebook app. On desktop, go to the website. Once in settings, find media or videos where autoplay appears. Select Never Autoplay Videos or on Wi-Fi only if you want limited play. This stops immediate playback while saving data and reducing distraction. Make sure to save or confirm the change. Otherwise, defaults may remain active, and videos will keep starting as you scroll. Once autoplay is off, control other triggers, sound and data. You can mute the Facebook app or enable Do Not Disturb to avoid audio starting unexpectedly. This helps if a video still loads silently. Next, disable background data or background app refresh for Facebook. This stops preloading and reduces accidental starts. Also, make sure the app is updated. Older versions sometimes ignore changed settings. Together, these steps keep videos from playing and prevent silent buffering that pulls you back into playback. To finish, restart the app. Sometimes settings need a relaunch to take effect. If videos still play, clear the Facebook app cache or reinstall it. That fixes corrupt preferences. After reinstalling, reapply autoplay. Never autoplay videos, then restart again. Finally, test by scrolling through your feed and watch for any playback. If problems continue, note whether it's happening on mobile versus desktop, and check your OS level background or accessibility settings as a troubleshooting tip. Those can override app behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.